The strategic role of financial consultants in business growth. In an increasingly complex financial landscape, businesses across industries are turning to professional financial consultants to navigate challenges and unlock opportunities. These experts provide tailored guidance that extends beyond traditional accounting practices, offering strategic insights crucial for sustainable growth. For accounting and finance professionals seeking to expand their service offerings or understand emerging trends, understanding the nuances of financial consulting is essential. This field combines technical expertise with forward-thinking strategies to address both immediate needs and long-term objectives. Understanding the core functions of financial consulting. At its essence, financial consulting involves providing expert advice on various aspects of business finance. Consultants help organizations optimize their financial performance through careful analysis of current operations and identification of areas for improvement. This process often begins with a thorough assessment of a company's financial health. By examining income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow projections, consultants can pinpoint inefficiencies that may be hindering growth potential. One primary function includes developing customized financial strategies aligned with organizational goals. Whether focusing on cost reduction initiatives or investment opportunities, these plans require deep industry knowledge and analytical skills. Consultants also play a vital role in risk management by identifying vulnerabilities within existing financial frameworks. They implement safeguards against market fluctuations, regulatory changes, and other external factors that could impact profitability. Cash flow optimization. Experts analyze working capital cycles to identify bottlenecks preventing efficient use of available funds. Tax strategy development. Specialized advisors create compliance-focused approaches while maximizing allowable deductions and credits. Mergers and acquisitions guidance. Professionals assist in valuation processes, due diligence procedures, and integration planning when considering business expansions. The evolving landscape of modern financial consultancy. As digital transformation reshapes every aspect of business operations, financial consultancy has evolved significantly over recent years. Contemporary consultants now leverage advanced data analytics tools to deliver more precise recommendations based on real-time information flows. This shift towards technology-driven solutions enables firms to make faster decisions supported by predictive modeling capabilities. However, it also requires consultants to stay updated with continuously evolving software platforms and data interpretation methodologies. Digital transformation impact. Data analytics has become central to modern financial consulting services. According to a Deloitte report from Q3 2023, companies utilizing AI-powered forecasting systems experienced a 28% increase in operational efficiency compared to those relying solely on historical data. Cloud-based financial management systems have further enhanced collaboration between consultants and clients. Real-time access to financial data allows for continuous monitoring and timely adjustments to strategic plans as business conditions change. Rapid technological advancements necessitate ongoing education for financial professionals. A survey conducted by PwC indicated that 76% of CFOs expect consultants to demonstrate proficiency in at least 2 emerging technologies related to financial management within the next 3 years. Specialization areas within financial consulting. Given the diverse nature of client needs, financial consulting encompasses numerous specialized domains. Understanding these distinct areas helps professionals determine which niches align best with their expertise and interests. Corporate finance consulting focuses on optimizing capital structure, managing debt obligations, and implementing shareholder value. Enhancement strategies. This area often intersects closely with investment banking activities. Strategic financial planning consultants work extensively with executive teams to develop multi-year roadmaps incorporating projected revenue streams, expense forecasts, and resource allocation priorities. Tax advisory services represent another critical specialization where consultants ensure compliance with ever-changing regulations while helping clients minimize tax liabilities legally. Operational finance consultants concentrate on improving internal financial controls, streamlining procurement processes, and enhancing overall fiscal transparency within organizations. Forensic accounting investigates financial irregularities and assists in resolving disputes through meticulous examination of financial records. Sustainability finance helps organizations integrate environmental considerations into their financial strategies while accessing green financing options. Fintech advisory guides traditional financial institutions in adopting new technologies and navigating regulatory landscapes associated with innovative financial products. Building effective client relationships in financial consulting. Successful financial consulting engagements depend heavily on establishing trust and maintaining open communication channels with clients. Establishing credibility early in the relationship is crucial for ensuring cooperation during sensitive discussions about financial matters. Consultants must demonstrate genuine interest in understanding each client's unique business model before proposing any recommendations. Tailoring advice to reflect specific industry characteristics enhances relevance and increases acceptance rates among stakeholders. Regular reporting mechanisms help maintain visibility regarding progress toward defined objectives. Clear documentation of findings and suggested actions ensures accountability and facilitates informed decision-making at all levels of management. Ethical conduct remains paramount throughout the duration of consulting relationships. Maintaining strict confidentiality standards protects sensitive financial information shared during consultations. Measuring success in financial consulting engagement. Assessing the effectiveness of financial consulting efforts requires defining measurable outcomes from the outset. Key performance indicators, KPIs, should align with both client expectations and broader strategic goals established collaboratively. Common metrics used include improvements in operating margins, reductions in overhead costs, increased return on equity figures, and enhanced credit ratings following implemented reforms. Client satisfaction surveys serve as qualitative indicators of success, providing insight into perceived value delivered versus expected results. These assessments help refine future engagement models and improve service delivery quality. Longitudinal tracking of financial performance post-engagement offers valuable lessons for refining methodologies applied in subsequent projects. Continuous evaluation fosters iterative improvements in consulting practices. Emerging trends shaping future financial consulting practices. The financial consulting sector continues to evolve rapidly, driven by macroeconomic shifts and technological innovations. Keeping abreast of these developments is essential for professionals aiming to remain competitive in this dynamic environment. Growing emphasis on ESG, environmental, social, governance, criteria is influencing how consultants approach strategy formulation. Organizations now seek guidance not only on financial returns but also on achieving sustainability targets effectively. Regulatory requirements continue expanding globally, creating demand for specialists who can interpret complex legal frameworks affecting international transactions. Cross-border consulting services are becoming increasingly relevant amid heightened globalization. Advancements in blockchain technology present new possibilities for secure financial record-keeping and transparent transaction verification. Early adopters of such solutions gain significant advantages over competitors still using legacy systems. Artificial intelligence applications are transforming traditional financial analysis methods. Predictive algorithms enable consultants to forecast economic scenarios with greater accuracy than conventional statistical techniques allow. Personalized financial planning. With rising wealth inequality, there's growing demand for bespoke financial solutions catering specifically to high-net-worth individuals. Disruption management. As fintech startups challenge traditional financial institutions, consultants help established players adapt strategically to changing market dynamics. Global risk assessment. Increased geopolitical uncertainties require sophisticated tools capable of evaluating risks posed by currency fluctuations and trade policy changes. The path forward for financial consultants to thrive in this evolving profession. Financial consultants need to cultivate a blend of technical acumen and soft skills. staying ahead demands commitment to lifelong learning and adaptation to novel challenges presented by shifting economic environments. Developing cross-functional competencies will become increasingly important as consulting roles expand beyond purely financial dimensions. Ability to communicate complex ideas clearly to non-specialists enhances influence and drives successful implementation of proposed strategies. Active participation in professional networks keeps practitioners informed about best practices and emerging trends shaping the field. Collaborative knowledge sharing accelerates innovation while reinforcing ethical standards governing the profession. Embracing digital literacy is no longer optional for modern consultants. Proficiency with cloud computing platforms, big data analytics tools, and virtual collaboration interfaces becomes fundamental to delivering effective services remotely or on-site. Conclusion: financial consulting plays a pivotal role in guiding businesses through today's intricate financial ecosystem. By leveraging specialized knowledge combined with strategic foresight, consultants empower organizations to achieve sustained growth while mitigating unnecessary risks. For accounting and finance professionals looking to enhance their career trajectories, exploring opportunities within financial consulting presents exciting prospects. Mastering this domain equips them with versatile skill sets applicable across diverse sectors and industries.